Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I thought I was going to do just one video today, but I'm going to put out two videos. Only because my friend Shady Tail wants to know what's in these boxes, because he wants to trade, because I'm going to get something better. Okay, what we got going on, we're going to do a little head-to-head mystery box battle. This first one, so it's not the fairest battle, not equal money. This one is $100 Pop King Paul. This is part 2 of the Pop King Ball $100 mystery box opening. So we got that, and then I also bought from PopNbeats. There, it's a $60 guaranteed overvalue mystery box. So we'll do both those. But first, before we get into the big one, the big two, we got to open up one more of the mystery grail boxes. I have one left. Right here. Right here. Let's open this. Get it out of the way. The last one out of here. Do again. 3, 2. So it is Contest of Champions Venom Pool. Contest of Champions Marvel. At least it's Marvel. They had Howard the Duck, Venom Pool, Punisher, Civil Warrior, Guillotine, and Fruit. Look at all those that you could have got in the back there. Pretty dope. That Howard the Duck one would have been sweet. I wonder when they did this. That's what he looks like. A Venom Pool. Alright, we got the scratch off, and we got more of the Tootsie Pops. Alright, let's figure out how much this is. It's a 2018 pop. Okay. $13 Venom Pool. 2018. Still available. Right. Add that to the collection. Do the scratch off card. See what we get. 200 tokens. Add that to the bam. Alright, so first, we're going to give Pop King Paul the second. We'll do him second. We'll do the $60 one, and then we'll do the $100 one. This is guaranteed overvalue. It's from PopNbeats. PopNbeats? Poppin' something. Haven't done this one before. New company. $60 guaranteed value. They had the Spider-Man t-shirt bundle. They had some Freddy Funkos from the Fun Days box. Dark Phoenix Chase. Iron Man. They got the Doctor Strange Chase. Guaranteed overvalue. 2 to 4 pops per box. 25 boxes total. Top 3 boxes are valued at $120, $130, and $150. You guys want to see? That is what they are. Alright, so we got all those. We'll get 25 boxes, so yeah, pretty good odds of getting one of them. So there's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there's 12 of the big boxes, the big pops. So much tape. Alright. Let's do a little field test. See what is in there. Alright, rip the bubble wrap back. 1 non-protector. 2 not protector. 3 not protectors and 1 inner protector. Alright. Pull this first one out. 3, 2, 1. Show you what we get. Alright, Red Hulk. $20. I already got this one. That's not bad. I think Shady has this one as well. We might not want to trade for that one. So that was $20. Let's switch this around. Pick the next one. Hopefully it's all Marvel. Oh, it's Marvel versus DC as well. I should have told you guys that. Back of the box. 3, 2, 1. And show you. Bloodsport Suicide Squad. $12 pop. Funko exclusive. Played Bloodsport. The actor. Is it that one dude? The dude from that new the new Lion movie where the lions are going against his family. Alright. Is your whatever his name was. Yep. Nailed it. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Zombie Hunter Spidey. Already got that one as well. $13. So right now we got a total of 13, 12. That's 25 and 20. So 45. 55, 60. So this is guaranteed $15 pop. Hopefully it's like $20, $30. Alright, guys. 3, 2, 1. Bam. Doctor Strange. $27. I already got that one too. I got the back there. I got the 4-pack over there. Ah. Alright. It's not bad, not bad. Had a bunch of those already, so is what it is. Not more in the box. Alright, let's get into the big one. So that was 20, 47, 57, 60, $72. So $72. This one's definitely going to beat it because it's a $100 box. Alright, see what we get. This is the big boy. Well, not the big boy. The big boy's coming up. Alright, see what we get here. Pull back some bubble wrap. So he usually puts them all in cases. We got 1, 2, 3. 3 cases. $100 mystery box. Take this first one. 3, 2, 1. Show ya. Gizmo. I almost bought this the other day. That's an old pop. 2015 Gizmo. $24. Oh. No, I almost bought the Gremlins one. That's what it was. Alright, next pop. On the back, that's the bottom. No, that's the bottom. 3, 2, 1. No, wait, hold on. Middle one's probably the more expensive one. Let's do the other one on the other side. 3, 2, 1. Show ya! Claptrap. Alright, cool. I like Borderlands. That is a $50 pop. GameStop exclusive, power to the players. Gold Claptrap. 50, 74. That actually might be the biggest one in the box. So, like, I figured the one in the middle would be the most expensive. Who knows? Claptrap, $50. Alright, last one, guys. You ready? Shady, you ready? Did I get the She-Hulk? He really wants the She-Hulk. 3, 2, 1. Show ya! Twilight Ring Wrath. Pretty dope. 2017 pop, $12 back in the day. Another 50 pop. 2 $50 pops. That's cool. 50, 50, $124. So let's look back on his one. See where this fell in the spot. Oh. Yeah. Gizmo was... Oh, no, the other dude. So I got it at the bottom. So, like, Shady got the perfect cell, which is right next to this Twilight one. And Claptrap wasn't on there, so just add in. Oh, not bad, guys. Alright, guys. Tell me down below. Tell me which one was your favorite. I'm probably gonna say the Gremlin. Gizmo. Even though it wasn't the most expensive, I like it. I like Gremlins back in the day. This Lord of the Rings pop is really heavy. That's cool. I mean, I love Lord of the Rings. I watch those guys. Watch that movie a lot. Let's just check PPG, make sure nothing went down. It shouldn't have. They just... This one is Twilight Wild 449. That one is... Ooh, it went down a little bit. It's $45. 2017 vaulted. Check on Hobby D. Look here. We'll go Twilight. 5.9. Nah, so it's $50. So it's $45, $50. Is this the glow? Is this glow in the dark? Because it doesn't have the glow in the dark sticker. Might be glow in the dark. That's cool. If it's glow in the dark, I like that. I mean, it looks glow in the dark. I mean, it's white. Who knows? Gremlins. Check that one out. I like that because it's a super old pop. Is... Tell me. Scans. And you barcode. All right, let's just look it up. Gizmo 04. Back in the day. So it's saying $23, $24, whatever. 2011. It's not vaulted yet. All right, let's look at this trap, clap, clap, trap, clap back. So this is a chase. GameStop exclusive, power to the... So I guess this is the sticker for the chase back in the day. $50. I like it. And so the regular one was gray. The regular one was gray with like a red stripe. Alright. Alright, guys. Let me know down below which one was your favorite one. Like I said, I probably have to say Gizmo. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for future videos. Yeah, we'll be back with a banger. My next one is going to be a banger. Alright, guys. Peace out. Love you.